Hello, my name is David Mills, and on behalf of Oracle University and all the folks that make Oracle Cloud Infrastructure possible, it is my pleasure to welcome you to this learning path towards becoming a certified OCI developer. In this training, we have assembled a great team of subject matter experts that will guide you through every topic area and hands-on practice, helping you to achieve this certification.
Hello, I'm Mahendra Mehra, and on behalf of Oracle University, I'm super excited to welcome you to this developer training. I'm also one of the instructors for this training, and I'm sure that by end of this training, you'll be confident enough to build and manage cloud-native applications using OCI services. So thanks for enrolling, and I wish you an enriching learning experience.
This learning path was designed primarily for cloud-native application developers, as well as solution architects, or basically anybody that wishes to take a deeper dive into leveraging OCI for cloud-native application solutions. However, there are some recommended prerequisites you should have to achieve the maximum level of success in navigating this training, as well as the subsequent certification exam. You should have fundamental understanding of the core OCI services, such as identity and access management, networking, compute, storage, and security. And the quickest way to gain that knowledge is to complete the OCI Foundations Learning Path training and become certified. However, since this training is targeted primarily to developers, you should already have experience in one or more programming languages and have developed, tested, and deployed applications, ideally using cloud resources. And finally, since several of the hands-on lab practices will be leveraging common frameworks and technologies such as Docker containers, Kubernetes, and Git repositories, if you aren't already familiar with some of these, you will definitely want to ramp up with some additional study on your own along the way as you're working through the various lectures and exercises. Preparing for this exam will assess and challenge your ability to think and perform, and you'll reap the benefits of earning the certification to include standing out among cloud professionals and improving your potential earning power to command a higher salary. You'll expand your knowledge base and validate your skills to appeal to potential employers as you learn to perform complex hands-on activities through labs, study, and practice sessions. As you gain exposure to a wide variety of important features, functions, and tasks to use on the job, you'll obtain access to a secure digital badge that you can add to your social media profiles. So quickly, allow me to break down the content you'll encounter in this learning path. First is the primary course itself, where you'll watch several hours worth of recorded lectures and demos divided into 7 modules. Cloud Native Fundamentals, which discusses the key pillars, benefits, and challenges of cloud native development, as well as an overview of microservices architecture and design methodology. In Module 2, you'll learn about containerization, specifically working with Docker, as well as managing images with the OCI Container Registry. Next, after a brief overview of DevOps concepts and tools, we'll look at deploying container-based applications into an Oracle-managed Kubernetes cluster. Module 4 covers the concepts, use cases, and deployment details for Oracle functions, then continues on with several lessons on leveraging and configuring API gateway deployments. You'll then learn more about the OCI streaming service, followed by lessons on OCI event messages, event rules and actions, and related use cases you should consider. We start Module 6 with a couple of lessons on cloud-native testing strategies, then present a number of security-related lessons which highlight the integration of OCI Vault and OCI certificate services, along with additional security options in the API gateway. The final module takes a look into leveraging OCI monitoring, OCI logging, and application monitoring services. And along the way, there are skill check questions at the end of every module so that you can validate your understanding and comprehension of the materials. Now, after completing the primary course trainings, you should be ready to move on to the hands-on lab practice exercises. This workshop case study is an extensive end-to-end solution for showcasing the development and deployment of a microservices architecture on OCI. The use case involves a hotel chain called Vision Stays, which currently has only a static website. They're planning to expand and enhance the functionality by adding booking facilities and also integrate their website with hotel aggregators. In this workshop, you'll use microservices to build their solution. Trust me, this is one of the most robust set of exercises that we have in our collection of OCI trainings, as you will complete over 40 hands-on lab practices, which include everything from tasks such as creating the required OCI resources and setting up your development environment, to the building, deploying, and securing of microservices using OKE, Oracle Functions, API Gateway, and integration with many other OCI services. Once you've completed all of the course training videos as well as the workshop case study exercises, you should be ready to take the certification exam. However, to help you prepare, I've recorded 4 videos within this short preparation course that reviews the exam topics and walks you through some test-taking strategies by looking at several sample test questions. And of course, you'll want to take the practice exam to get an idea of how prepared you are prior to registering for the actual online certification exam. So yes, this is an extensive learning path and certification, but we understand you are busy. Therefore, each of our lessons are broken down further into shorter segments, most of which are less than 10 minutes long, as our goal is to help you retain information and keep you engaged along the way. I hope that you're excited to start this training. Thanks for enrolling. Let's begin.